Michael as fast as he can. Go, Michael, you gotta hold on. Papa's gonna push you, and I'm gonna be the sportscaster. Come on, Sid, this is not fast.
Hey man, the water's gonna
Go! Lolly's winning! Mom's gonna win the race! Come on, Sid, run.
Run! Run with it!
Might want to go where it's deeper. Here we go. We're at 1,000,000 horsepower right now. Go, go! Michael, stop putting water in it. Capsize!
What the heck? What the heck was that for?
Love, peace, and happiness.
Love, joy, peace, happiness.
Alright, I'm going to get my car moved.